Don't be surprised.
It's nothing to be welcome or something. It's not to be welcome, an issue welcome. See, what has happened? Rekal Kodla is arrested. There must have been something to it. No, there must be some evidence or some. There is an arrest. Tomorrow I am walking and people just can't come. The police can't come and arrest me unless they find some concrete evidence. If I think then the police will get me a warrant or to the magistrate and arrest me, get me arrested. It's simple.
Is it?
And then no question of too late or too early. When a time is ripe and something has to happen, happens. And the people of Goa want things to happen. I am of the opinion, my personal opinion, whoever it is, whether it's a politician, whether it's a bureaucrat, anybody who matter, it is the responsibility of the government to take action and to punish the guilty.
Crime branch arrest करता है सरकार क्या करता है?
There was earlier there were repercussions.
They might be having a case to arrest him. I really don't know the details. मला काय खबर असते? क्राईम का सांगा ना कोणाला. तुम काय सांगा ना, मग काय सांगा ना. Go as per the desires of people. It has got a system how to do things. There has to be a little bit of evidence to do some certain things. गोष्टीत arrest केलो सोडलो तर याचा अर्थ काय होणार? See, law has to take its own course. No, it's not a question of my opinion whether I like it or I don't like it. Churchill is a close friend of mine, but if law says it has to be done, it has to be done.
Question of harassment. See, if government has found something or police has is investigating and they have found some evidence in that, that is the reason investigation is going on. I think we should not politicize this thing. Everything, the moment when someone is arrested or something, we say we give it a political color. Let police investigate the case. People also want to know what is the truth behind this thing.
But it's too late, you feel?
It is never too late.
Police is investigating the matter in all seriousness.
Okay.
So I believe they are going in the right direction. If they want anybody for interrogation, they have a right to call them. If they are not satisfied with his answer, they have a right to detain certain persons.
होम डिपार्टमेंट हांव पळयना तरी सुद्दां सांगता की पुलिसांक आपलें काम करून एज अ लेजिस्लेचर म्हणून आमी आमचें काम करतले आनी म्हाका पूर्ण खात्री आहा कायद्याचेर कायदो आपलें काम करूंक नये त्या टायमार आनी त्या हेजेर बरोबर ट्रॅकान काम करतलो.
रायट ट्रॅकर सगळें मेळ्ळो आसना मग प्रूफ आसना ते फायंड आउट करता एक्झॅक्ट सोल्युशन मागीर सगळें फायंड आउट करून जातलें.
It is subjudice first, and second is it's only witch hunting of the present ruling government. So if you go to see the whole thing, they could have arrested him the whole day if they wanted. Calling him somewhere and arresting him. And anyway, I do not want to comment on it. Let law take its own course.
मनशान मरे खंयच चूक करूं जायना आपल्या कॅरियरान.
तर तेच पळयता आनी नवो नवो जो विशय तयार करून लोकां फुडें हाडप हो सरकाराचो एक प्रयत्न चल्ला. त्या विशयाचेर सरकार आयज कोणाक अरेस्ट करता, कोणाचेर इन्क्वायरी करता, हो लोकांक पळोवनी न्ही. लोकांक पळोवनी